Number 6, mandating recycling and reuse. I'm a city manager looking at 2 proposals for a public policy to reduce waste in Seattle. The first big decision, eliminating plastic bags versus food waste composting. Plastic bags are commonly used, difficult to recycle, and end up in the waste stream. 93 billion plastic bags are now recycled yearly, and 200,000 bags are disposed in landfills every hour in the U.S. They end up as litter, they contaminate the water. Denmark shows that alternatives like cloth bags need to be reused a certain number of times to offset the pollution of their production and to match the environmental impacts of disposable plastic bags, which are only used once. Food compost, there's 150,000 tons of food waste each day. People dislike the image and smell of lots of rotting food in a composting bin. Efforts are needed to market the compost for large-scale use like agriculture and greenhouse operations. A composting program has brought marginal income, or at least broke even, for cities. So that was a little promising, or kind of pushed me to that option. But I eventually decided to ban all plastic bags because it provides a greater incentive than allowing people to compost their food. For instance, in the introduction section of Chapter 18 of Sherman and Montgomery's Environmental Science and Sustainability textbook, incentives are positive or negative signals that pull us toward or push us away from certain choices or behaviors. So eliminating plastic bags, I feel that it pushes people to use reusable bags or other sustainable replacements for the use of plastic bags, while supplying compost bins, which doesn't make people use them unless we provide like a fee if the compost bins are not being used on a weekly basis, or we reward them for using a compost bin, like, I don't know, gift cards or something, an incentive to make them use that compost bin. But banning plastic bags all in all is just one huge negative incentive where people are going to have to use other ways and other means to, use or grab groceries and all the stuff to use with plastic bags. After that, another decision came up, was that ban all plastic bags, allow stores to distribute or sell reusable bags, or ban all plastic bags but allow disposable bags made out of compostable materials. I went with allowing disposable bags made out of compostable materials because I feel that people will stack up on reusable bags, use them in other ways, and eventually throw them away. This will ensure that people don't decide to throw their bags away. The disposable bags can be broken down in the environment and not cause any negative effects. Also, the disposable bag will emulate the same purpose as like plastic bags, so it won't feel like a hassle or inconvenience to use them, versus reusable bags where maybe some of us will be lazy and be like, oh, I don't want to carry this bag to the grocery store, then use it, then put it away. It still emulates that convenience of plastic bags. So I feel like people would use compostable bags than reusable bags. And yeah, the conclusion is that people are more comfortable using disposable bags and they reduce their pollution footprint, but it doesn't reduce the overall industry footprint to like make these bags, and those bags aren't durable enough to be reused many times. So, and yeah, that's what you would do.